Your brand may look professional, your website may be live, your social posts may even look good. But if clients are not returning, referring, or booking consistently, something deeper is missing. The problem may not be your service. Many owners do not have a marketing problem only. They have a visibility, trust, and relationship pathway problem. It's not just about getting more traffic, it's about ensuring that traffic turns into a predictable flow of clients who know, like, and trust you. When people cannot clearly find you, understand you, trust you, or hear from you after the first interaction, repeat business quietly goes somewhere else. You're working too hard to let these opportunities slip through the cracks. WebScore 2.0 helps reveal where your online presence and client pathway are leaking opportunity, so you can fix what matters first. From search visibility to mobile experience, we diagnose the friction points that are holding your business back from its true potential. With the right visibility and client flow system, your brand does more than look good. It helps the right people find you, choose you, return to you, and recommend you. It turns your brand into a growth engine for your service business. Built by my team and I to help you turn feast or famine into a repeatable client flow. Request your WebScore visibility check today. Let's see where your business is leaking opportunity and start building your client flow together. I look forward to working with you.